Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine at your homes. Today we are going to read English unit number 12, Time to Think. After completing this unit, you will be able to identify and pronounce the weak form of, for, or, and, but, and regular and irregular nouns, past continuous tense, hyphen with common compound words, conventions of letter writing, and the tenses. Dear students, let's start. Look at the chart about classroom rules and think of some rules of your own. These are the classroom rules. Raise your hand, listen, be friendly, help clean up. Students, let's talk about these rules. The first one is, which classroom rule is the most important? Why? Dear students, tell me that which classroom rule you like the most. Students, I like the most classroom rule is listen. We should listen our teachers carefully. The next question is, does every class need to follow rules? Why? Do we need rules at other places? Why? Dear students, tell me about these questions. I hope you know the answer of these questions. Let's start from the reading. Time to think. Time to think is our topic of this story. Dear student, this is a story about the traffic rule and road safety. A boy named Hassan came to his father and said, "Dad, I have something important to show you." And his father replied, "Show me what you have." And Hassan took out a brochure from his bag and showed to his father. Brochure कहते हैं इश्तहार को. And his father said, "That's really nice." Because the brochure about on traffic rules that has very interesting information about road safety. And his father said, everyone should follow the traffic rules. These rules make us safe while traveling. The first rule is fasten your seat belt. Always sit quietly in the back seat. Always get out on the curb side of the car. Dear students, I hope you followed these traffic rules while traveling. On that brochure, these rules are also included. The first one is when walking to and from school. Avoid crossing between parked cars, follow traffic signals, obey traffic police, cross only at zebra crossing, always walk and never run. Look to your left and right before crossing the road, watch for turning vehicles. Dear students, I hope you also followed all these rules before going to school. And in the next portion, when cycling to school, wear a helmet, use zebra crossing while crossing the road, obey the traffic rules. These are all the rules while traveling with cycle, while traveling to school, and while traveling to car. And Hassan said, "Yes, father, you are right. But everyone does not follow the rules. There is always a traffic jam in front of my school," said Hassan. His father said, "It's strange. Is there no traffic police there?" And Hassan said, "I don't think so because I have never seen anyone there." His father said, "That's not a good thing. We should inform the traffic police about the matter. It's our moral duty कि हमारा इखलाकी फ़र्ज़ है कि हम ट्रैफिक पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करें about the traffic issue." And his father said, "Come, let's write a letter. I will help you to write it." And they both wrote the letter to the head traffic police. Dear students, here I have a question for you. Have you ever experienced a traffic jam? Did you try to find a solution? Did you write any letter to the traffic police? Tell me, students. I think you didn't do this before, but I hope you will do it in future if you face this type of problem. Dear student, this is the letter that Hassan wrote to the traffic police. First of all, Hassan write address and the address of the receiver, that the traffic police headquarter, and write the date and the salutation. And salutation is the word जिसको हम मुखातिब कर रहे हैं, हम उसको लिख यहाँ पे राइट करते हैं. Then in the body, Hassan wrote the reason about the traffic jam in front of his school. And at the end, Hassan request to solve the issue according to the rules. And at the end, Ahsan sign it, that is called signature. Dear students, our letter has 6 parts that is clearly defined in this performer. Dear students, I hope you will learn a lesson from this story. According to me, I learned this कि हमें जो है वो ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए एंड वी शुड इन्फॉर्म द ट्रैफिक पुलिस अबाउट द इश्यूज बिकॉज इट इज़ आवर मोरल ड्यूटी. So let's start from the exercise of this chapter. The first activity is oral communication. Learning the sound. The first one is weak form. Weak forms are the syllable sounds that become unstressed in speech. For example, of, and, or, but. बेसिकली वीक फॉर्म्स हमारी सेंटेंसेस में कौन सी हैं उसको हमें बताया गया है. जो कि हमारे सेंटेंस में वर्ड होते हैं ऑफ, एंड, और, बट. इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हुए हमें ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुली प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना पड़ता. तो दैट वर्ड इज़ कॉल्ड weak form words. Let's read the sentences that is given. We need some sugar and tea leaves. तो यहाँ पे हमें and को प्रोनाउंस करते हुए स्ट्रेसफुली नहीं बोलना पड़ रहा. And the word and is the weak form in this sentence. Dear students, you will have to read all these sentences carefully and identify the weak form words in these sentences, and in the next activity make sentences of your own using the above weak form, and you will have to use these above weak form and make sentences on your neat copies. Dear students, the next activity is learning to speak. In this activity, these are the two dialogues between the students Saad and Usman and Sara and Amna. Dialogue basically a conversation between two peoples or more than two peoples. The next activity is reading and critical thinking. Reading comprehensions. Answer these questions. Dear students, these are our question answer. The first question is, what was the brochure about? The answer is, the brochure was about traffic rules. The next question is, to whom did Ahsan write the letter and why? This is the answer. And the next question is, write a few sentences about traffic position in your city, and this is the answer. Dear students, you have to write these question answers neatly and learn. Dear students, I hope you will understand all these activities that is explained in this video, and I will discuss the further activities in the next part of this video. Allah Hafiz.